This morning we welcome back Juliet DiOrio Garcia from Acceptance Insurance for part 3 of our conversation on car insurance. Today we've got some simple ways you can save money on your auto policy. I'm sure this is a topic that will have ears perking up everywhere. Right, Juliet?
That's right, Julie.
So let's cut to the chase. Now, what can we do to lower our rates? Buy when it's on sale? What do we do?
If only it were that easy.
I knew it wasn't that easy.
Yeah, but you know, I think that the key really honestly to getting good rates is being a smart shopper and shopping. You know, shop your policy, get competitive quotes so that you know what you're paying and you know that it's fair.
That's right. Who doesn't like a discount? We all do. And what else can we do to save money on auto insurance?
I think looking at your policy and sort of understanding what you have and what you're paying for is key. A lot of times you'll see on your policy that you may have add-ons that have been tacked onto your policy, all of which may be very useful, but again, being aware because those do add an incremental cost.
And when we say add-ons, really what are we talking about and how do they affect the price?
So add-ons are these little items, and to be honest, very helpful. Not here to bash add-ons, but they do tack on an incremental cost to your policy and to your premium, and sometimes people don't even know that they have them.
Right.
Things like roadside assistance or towing assistance, again, very helpful, and that's a consumer choice, but those things can add an additional $5 or $10 a month to your policy cost.
And what else could affect your rates?
So when I've been here in the past, we've talked a lot about how your driving history can affect your rate, and I think most people know that. But in addition to that, your credit history can affect your rate, other drivers in your household, teenagers, and believe it or not, where you live, where you keep your car can affect your rate.
Really? Where I keep my car, what if we live in the same neighborhood or close? They can change, right?
It's so surprising, but yes, I mean, we could literally live in the same zip code and have similar profiles, but have different rates.
Very interesting. All right, what do you think is the most common mistake people make when they're trying to shop for car insurance?
I think it really does boil down to being an informed consumer. And so maybe it's not a mistake as much as it is just we sort of say, oh, I'm sitting at my desk at work, I'm going to get a quote. You don't really know what your current coverage is. You may not know what those add-ons are. So I always recommend if you're going to go get another quote and you're going to shop your insurance, have your current policy there in front of you so that you're comparing apples to apples.
Good to know. I know Acceptance Insurance is a non-standard insurance company. Are discounts still possible even with, quote, high-risk folks?
Oh, absolutely. We offer a multitude of discounts, things like a transfer discount if you're with another carrier. We also offer a renewal discount for longer term customers. And even in some states right now, we're offering something called a welcome back discount. That's designed to incentivize customers who were once with us that currently are not.
Great to know.
Yeah.
And if our viewers are looking for you, where do they find you?
Easiest way is on our website, and that's acceptanceinsurance.com.
So that easy. We just go to the web, Acceptance Insurance, and we can see what you got.
That's it.
All right. Thanks for coming in. Always so informative and helpful. Really
Thanks
great
for
to
having
see
me.
you.
Great to see you too. Thanks, Julie.
All right. And if you would like to know more about non-standard car insurance, go to thebalancingact.com and follow the links. And remember, we're also on Facebook too, so we want you to check us out.